this is Scott Walker with Impact Latent SEO. I stopped by your store just a little while ago, or your shop, sorry. And I'm just going over a few things that what I do to help auto glass companies grow and scale their business. I always start with your website, then I go over to your Google Business Profile and talk about Google Ads as well. So for starters, what I'd highly recommend for you is to add more content to your website. I love that you have 20 years of experience, but part of what Google looks to rank for is to have more content on your website. And in that content, you want to have buyer intent keywords, which would be something like, windshield replacement, West Valley, and then whatever locations you have, you would want those location pages as well. The other thing you could do is if you save all your images correctly, this will say instead of home, Adan's Auto Glass, that could be like windshield replacement West Valley. So I do use a tool called Ahrefs. This will give me your analytics and kind of show me where you're setting. The DR and UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want those continuously moving up while also balanced. You're currently at 0 and 3 due to your referring pages and domains. If you don't know what those are backlinks. And what a backlink is when one website links to another website via a clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to stay relevant to your industry and also your location. And it looks like you're being indexed for 19 keywords and you're getting roughly 3 people to your website each month, which, being that low, your website's acting a lot like a digital business card as opposed to an online lead generating tool. So looking at the keywords that you are being found for, like Adan's Auto Glass, there's not a lot of searches for it, but you're number 1 because that's your brand. Auto Glass Repair, there's 20 searches, but you're at the very bottom of the page. Windshield Replacement West Valley, there's 50 searches, but you're on the second page of Google. So, that's a good buyer intent keyword that I would highly recommend trying to get in front of. Then you could be in front of Windshield Replacement, Tooele, and some other ones too. Obviously Salt Lake as well. So I did just do a quick search of Windshield Replacement West Valley City, and on this, you're looking. The top is always Google Ads, which is where I start most of my auto glass companies, right up here. So this is where I highly recommend having, the names and the places on here. Affordable Auto Glass Replace, Auto Glass Replace, Glass Replacement, Precision. This says Windshield Replacement right there. SafeLight doesn't even say Windshield Replacement, it just says Replacement. So you want as much as this keyword as possible into the top part of the ad. And then if you can add the location to it as well, like Salt Lake County or West Valley, that's the best way to get a good click-through rate. And then if you, on the landing page, you want to have a click-to-call right up here, maybe a form submit, what you do, where you do it, and if you run any promotions, like $30 off or something, and then have it on a background where it's relevant to your industry and your location. That'd be great. That's where I help a lot of auto glass companies right now. It looks like you are one of the top competitors for that in your GBP, so that's really awesome. And having 300 reviews is a really good thing. So there are ways that you can extend out into different locations. So, you could be going into, Salt Lake, things like that. But it looks like you're doing pretty good for this particular keyword. So, and then we go into I forgot to look at this one real quick. So just look just for Murray, West Valley, and Salt Lake, there's 1,900 searches for windshield replacements, 80 for rock chip repair, windshield replacement 480. So there's lots of searches that we could get in front of that could generate more business for you, and these are cost per click for you. I could explain that a little bit more later. But it looks like Valley Glass is one of your top competitors for this keyword. So when you have more buyer intent keywords, better content, that's how you're going to start to outrank your competitors. And to kind of give you an idea, windshield replacement Salt Lake City has 600 searches. Windshield replacement West Valley has 650. Those are with your words right there. So when you have better buyer intent keywords, more content, the backlinks and citations, you could outrank your competitors and then be put in front of them here. And then a percentage of these total volumes will start going to your website instead of your competitors. and then a percentage of the people going to your website will start to give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. So Adan, I hope this was helpful, and if you would like to talk more, see if we'd be a good fit to work together, give me a call, and we'll set up a discovery call. Have a good one.